Country living is more than a home, it's a way of life. Wide open spaces, quiet mornings, and the freedom to create your own lifestyle. For years, this home has been a place of memories, family gatherings, peaceful evenings, and life in harmony with nature. But life changes. Sometimes it's time to downsize, relocate, or simply turn the page to a new adventure. And what I've learned by owning and buying one of these and living on it for the last 7 years is how important it is to use someone who has knowledge of country properties. That's why we created the Country Living Real Estate Solution. We start with a personal consultation, understanding your goals and what makes your property unique. Next, we prepare your home and property, ensuring it's ready to impress buyers. Then we create powerful marketing, from stunning photography and drone video to targeted advertising that reaches qualified buyers. We guide you through showings, offers, and negotiations so you can move forward with confidence. And finally, we celebrate a successful sale and your exciting new chapter. Our clients trust us to handle every detail, making the process simple and stress-free.
We hope that our customers feel like they're a member of our family. We're treating their home and their property like we own it ourselves. We would make the same financial decisions that they would, and we want to be their advisors.
Ready to sell your country home? Let's create your strategy today. Get in touch.